English speaking practice. यह तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. No problem. It's okay. No problem. जैसी तुम्हारी इच्छा. As you wish. As you wish. पागल हो क्या? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? यह बहुत गर्म है. It's very hot. It is very hot. यहाँ कोई नहीं है. Nobody is here. Nobody is here. यह संभव है. It is possible. It is possible. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. तुम्हें कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I think so. I think so. किसी कीमत पर. At any cost. At any cost. मुझे बोलने दो. Let me speak. Let me speak. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm fine. I'm fine. अपना ख्याल रखना. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. आज बहुत सर्दी है. Today is very cold. Today is very cold. तुम्हें पता है? You know what? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. No, not at all. No, not at all. एक बार की बात है. Once upon a time. Once upon a time. क्या तुम वहाँ हो? Are you there? Are you there? काम पर वापस जाओ. Go back to work. Go back to work. रोज नई चीजें सीखो. Learn something new every day. Learn something new every day. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. I will try my best. I will try my best. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगी. I will try my best. I will try my best. बहुत देर हो गई. It's too late. बहुत देर हो गई है. It's too late. बस एक मिनट. Just a minute. Just a minute. अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. वह मर गया. He died. He died. सुनकर बहुत दुख हुआ. I am so sad to hear. I am so sad to hear. वह अब नहीं रहे. He is no more. He is no more. दादाजी अब नहीं रहे. Grandpa is no more. Grandpa is no more. ज़्यादा होशियार मत बनो. Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. इसे जारी रखो. Keep it up. Keep it up. इसे फिर से कहो. Say it again. Say it again. मैं सोना चाहता हूँ. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. वहाँ कौन है? Who is there? Who is there? अपनी अंग्रेजी सुधारो. Improve your English. Improve your English. हमारे साथ आओ. Come with us. Come with us. मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना पसंद है. I like to speak English. I like to speak English. मुझे अब क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do? What should I do? भगवान से दुआ करो. Pray to God. Pray to God. मुझे वापस कॉल करो. Call me back. Call me back. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? फालतू बात मत करो. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. यह ऐसा नहीं है. He is not like that. He is not like that. अपने नाखून काट लो. Cut your nails. Cut your nails. कंप्यूटर बंद करो. Shut down the computer. Shut down the computer. मैं तुम्हारा चेहरा पढ़ सकता हूँ. I can read your face. I can read your face. इसे फिर से करो. Do it again. Do it again. अभी मतलब अभी. Now means now. मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ. I am very lucky. I am very lucky. पानी गर्म कर दो. Heat the water. Heat the water. मेरी चिंता मत करो. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. ज़बान संभाल के. Mind your language. Mind your language. मुझे पूरा विश्वास नहीं है. I am not sure. I am not sure. मुझे एक मौका दो. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. यह मेरा फैसला है. This is my decision. This is my decision. कोशिश करते रहो. Keep on trying. Keep on trying. लाइट बंद कर दो. Switch off the light. Switch off the light. मूर्ख मत बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. मुझे ये वाला पसंद है. I like this one. I like this one. मैं तुम्हारी जांच करूँगा. I will check you. I will check you. इसे मत तोड़ो. Don't break it. Don't break it. मैं तुम्हें वापस फ़ोन करता हूँ. I call you back. I call you back. क्या तुम्हारे पास कार है? Do you have a car? Do you have a car? बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. तुमने अच्छा काम किया. You did a good job. You did a good job. जाने दो. Let it go. जाने दो. Let it go. क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Is it yours? Is it yours? मुझे खुद पर विश्वास है. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. तुम्हारा मोबाइल कहाँ है? Where is your mobile? Where is your mobile? अधिक मत बोलो. Don't speak over. Don't speak over. मुझे फ़ोन मत करो. Don't call me. Don't call me. चलो साथ चलते हैं. Let's go together. Let's go together. कल मिलेंगे. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. बाल बना लो. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. सो गाइस थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग और इसी तरह की और वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी और हेल्पफुल लगी तो लाइक भी ज़रूर करें और इस वीडियो को शेयर भी ज़रूर करें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. आई विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन